Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in web development with Codecademy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Codecademy website. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Click on the courses section on the homepage. Browse through the list of available web development courses. Select a course that aligns with your interests, such as HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Review the course details, including prerequisites and learning outcomes. Click on the Enroll button to start the course. Familiarize yourself with the platform's layout and navigation. Begin with the introductory lessons to understand basic concepts. Complete the interactive exercises for hands-on experience. Utilize the built-in code editor to practice your skills in real time. Take notes on important concepts as you progress through the lessons. Don't hesitate to revisit previous sections if you find certain topics challenging. Engage with the Codecademy community through forums and discussions. Seek assistance from peers if you encounter difficulties. Consider investing time in additional resources like Codecademy's pro content. Practice building your own projects as you learn. Apply your skills by developing small websites or applications. Review your progress regularly to stay motivated. Explore career opportunities in web development as you complete courses. Keep an eye out for industry trends to enhance your learning journey. Stay committed to continuous learning as technology evolves. Celebrate your achievements as you reach new milestones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.